Welcome back. I hope you are keeping healthy and safe. Today we discuss functions of advertising. We already have discussed the definitions and features of advertising. I hope they are clear to you. Coming to the functions of advertising, हम advertising क्यों बनाते हैं या उसके क्या क्या functions होते हैं, what function it serves for the company, we study here. पहले हम देखेंगे एक लिस्ट जिसमें आई एम गिविंग यू द पॉइंटर्स कि ये सारे फंक्शंस होते हैं एंड देन वी डिस्कस देम इन डिटेल वन बाय वन विद एग्जांपल्स. आई विल शो यू अ वीडियो फॉर वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल एंड बाकियों का मैं आपको नीचे लिंक दे दूंगी सो दैट यू कैन गो एंड सी for better understanding. Advertising is incomplete without examples. You cannot understand any point of advertising, or I would say you can understand it better if you see the examples and try to connect to it. So yes, we will have examples for each of them, and as we progress in our syllabus and as we study more topics, you will be able to develop a more understanding towards the ads you see. So we start with the functions. These are the points, or you say these are the short points in which I list the functions. So advertising क्या क्या करता है? It helps the company to build awareness regarding its products and services. Then it helps in building comprehension. ये समझाने का काम करता है consumer को. Then it serves as an efficient reminder. It helps in lead generation. It is a legitimate source of information. It helps in assuring or reassuring your consumers about certain things. Then it serves as a very powerful competitive weapon, and it is a supportive tool, means it helps other promotional tools to be more effective. For example, हमने जब पहले वाला वीडियो में पढ़ा था कि कितने टाइप के प्रमोशनल टूल्स हो सकते हैं. इट कुड बी एडवर्टाइजिंग, डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, पर्सनल सेलिंग एक्सेट्रा. सो ये बाकी टूल्स को भी हेल्प करता है एफिशिएंट होने में. कैसे करता है वो हम आगे देखेंगे. सो लेट अस डिस्कस ईच पॉइंट वन बाय वन. अवेयरनेस बिल्डिंग. So if your product is new, if your product is old but having some new features, or you want to inform your arrival in a particular market, then advertising is there to help you. So in this picture you can see this is advertisement of a car, and it is announcing the arrival of first scientific motor car, राइट. सो आपका प्रोडक्ट अगर नया है तो आप लोगों को कैसे बताएंगे कि आपका प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आया है. अगर आपको बहुत सारे लोगों को एक साथ बताना है, जो कि हमने फीचर्स में पढ़ा था, मास कम्युनिकेशन, देन इट इज़ थ्रू एडवर्टाइजिंग. इमेजिन इफ़ यू आर सेंडिंग डायरेक्ट मेल्स, और इफ़ यू आर गोइंग डोर टू टेल कि हमने ये नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करा है, लेकिन उसकी कोई भी एड नेशनल टेलीविजन या नेशनल मीडिया प्रिंट में नहीं है, then it will be very difficult for you to reach out the consumer and convince them. But if you give advertisement in a national television channel or in a newspaper, then it is easier to reach to the masses and public. So yes, advertising helps you in building awareness regarding your brand. Second is comprehension building. So if you are launching a new product and it is a complex one, it is a technical one, आपको अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी बताना पड़ेगा, वो प्रोडक्ट कैसे काम करता है ये भी बताना पड़ेगा. सो कंज्यूमर्स के लिए कॉम्प्रीहेंशन बिल्डिंग का काम करती है एडवर्टाइजिंग. So in your ads you can focus on telling how your product works, what are the features, and um, you know, if it is technical you can show the technicalities कि ये आप ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे तो ये ऐसे ऐसे काम करेगा. So in this example, this is an example of a vacuum cleaner, and it shows that how the vacuum cleaner is working. So when you get a vacuum cleaner, it some people might find it difficult, to assemble it and to understand which fitting is to be used where, which fitting is to be used for the ceiling or for the floor. कौन से उसमें अलग अलग जो blades हैं वो कहाँ कहाँ पे काम करेंगे. So in your advertisement you can show that these are the four blades and these are the four separate fittings. ये वाला fitting आप यहाँ पे लगाएंगे, ये वाला fitting आप floor पे लगाएंगे. And if you show such things in your advertisement, then it will be easier for the consumers to use your product. So that is comprehension building. I'll leave the link of this video in the description below the video, so that you can see it and understand how well this advertisement is showing the functioning of this vacuum cleaner. Next point is efficient reminder. Third point, which means, for example, if I say if your brand is not new, it is established, everybody in the target market knows about your brand, then do you need to give advertising? आपको फिर ad देने की क्या ज़रूरत है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोक एंड पेप्सी, कुछ भी नया नहीं है, सालों से वही प्रोडक्ट चलता आ रहा है, फिर वो क्यों इतना खर्चा करते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स पे, प्रोडक्ट की एड्स पे, राइट? That is because the companies need to reinforce that they exist in the market, what is the position in the market, and how is the growth going in the market. टेक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई से कि अगर हम पेप्सी की ऐड तो देखते रहते हैं लेकिन कोक की ऐड आना सडनली बंद हो गई, एक महीना 2 महीना, देन द कंज्यूमर विल ऑल्सो have doubts whether this product is there in the market or not, right? So you need to reinforce consumers, you have to remind the consumers that you are there in the market, or you have become the market leader, और आपको 100 साल पूरे हो गए, आपको 20 साल पूरे हो गए, आपको एक डेकेड पूरा हो गया इस मार्केट में. So that is done for the entire public at large via advertising. So here is another video I would be sharing, which is of Hyundai, in which Hyundai was celebrating 20 years of its existence. एंड इन 20 सालों का जो सेलिब्रेशन है वो स्टोरीज के थ्रू अपनी एड्स में दिखा रहे थे. सो इट वाज शोइंग थ्रू इट्स एड हाउ कनेक्टेड द फैमिलीज एंड पीपल आर टू देयर फोर व्हीलर, and if their first purchase was Hyundai, how special it was and how they have been connected to the Hyundai family. So that is an efficient reminder to all the consumers that Hyundai is strong and it has been there for 20 years and it is still going strong, right? Next function is lead generation. लीड जनरेशन मीन्स जब हम ऐड देखते हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो परचेज में कन्वर्ट हो, लेकिन उससे हमें हेल्प मिलती है कि हमें कंज्यूमर्स मिले, आगे जाके हम उनको कन्विंस करें एंड देन वो आगे जाके उस प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करें. सो हम कह सकते हैं कि हमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट देने के बाद लीड्स मिलती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू सी अ न्यू कार इज़ कमिंग, you see some ad and then you have contact details या बुकिंग ओपन इतना, इतने से इतने तक डेट्स के लिए बुकिंग ओपन हो रही है, देन एंड इफ यू प्लान टू परचेज अ कार यू माइट कॉल टू द contact number given, so you become a lead for them, and then you are a potential customer, and how well they handle you, how well are they able to satisfy you with their product and feature depends on that, and then you might become their consumer. So आप advertisement के through उनके lead बने, उनको lead मिली, and then the process further goes on. So it is not a one step process कि आप ad देखते ही purchase कर लोगे, but yes, ad will help you to get closer to the customers, right? Next point is legitimization. See, it is very important for you to sell your product or service कि आपके consumers आपकी बातों पर trust करें. वो trust कैसे हो सकता है? वो trust advertising आपको help कर सकती है build करने के लिए, because if you are giving an ad, your ad in a national television or in a national newspaper, it is less likely that you will be making false claim, or if you are making false claim you will have huge negative publicity because you are coming to the mass media, you are using a mass media. So if somebody comes to your home with a product and say कि ये product बहुत अच्छा है या ये कंपनी तो बहुत बड़ी और इसका बहुत नाम है, that is personal selling, and if you have not seen the advertisement of that particular product anywhere, will you believe it? आई होप दैट यू विल हैव डाउट्स कि इसका तो हमने कभी नाम ही नहीं सुना, इसकी तो हमने कभी ऐड ही नहीं देखी. सो जब हम बोलते हैं हमने ऐड नहीं देखी, हमें तो इस प्रोडक्ट का पता ही नहीं जो आप बेच रहे हो, या इफ़ यू गो टू अ पर्टिकुलर शॉप एंड यू वांट टू बाय योर ग्रॉसरीज ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड, और अगर मैं आपको कोई नया ब्रांड ऑफर करूँ यू विल से मैंने इसका कभी ऐड नहीं देखा, और इज दिस न्यू, और वेयर डज इट बिलोंग टू, you will have several doubt just because it is not promoted via advertisement. So advertisement helps you to gain trust of the consumers, because it is coming from identifiable sponsor, and advertisements में जो information दी जाती है people trust that rather than trusting random people or the sellers. Next point is reassurance. So if you know your brand, your product or service had some negative publicity or had some issues or bad experience, and you want to gain back the trust of your consumers or of the target market, then advertising is here for your rescue. So you might remember that Maggie, Cadbury, and even Coke were in the news for very wrong reasons in the past. So how do they clear their image is through advertising, because एक ad देकर टेलीविजन में आप बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंच सकते हैं और आप बहुत सारे लोगों को बता सकते हैं जो आप मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं. So for example, I leave the link of Coke in which Amir Khan is in the factory of coke and he is telling कि सब कुछ ठीक है, कोक में कुछ भी खराब नहीं है जैसा दिखाया जा रहा था, मैं खुद फैक्ट्री में आया हूँ और ये ऐसे ऐसे बन रहा है. So he is trying to the company is trying to gain back the trust of consumers, and they are using Amir Khan as a celebrity endorser because we know that Amir Khan is known for his perfection, and uh, people tend to believe him, especially Indians who watch his movies. So, yes, the company is using him as a celebrity endorser and trying to gain back the trust of the consumers, which they lost due to negative publicity. So, reassurance का काम करती है advertising. Next is competitive weapon. Uh, Advertising is one of the best tool which could be used to counter the competition. आगे जाके हम types of ad पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें competitive advertising होता है, उसमें हम देखेंगे कोक वर्सेस पेप्सी, हॉलिक वर्सेस कॉम्प्लान, रिन वर्सेस टाइड. ये सारी ad competitive ads हैं जिसमें आप ये दिखा रहे हैं कि अब दूसरे से कैसे बेहतर है, how you are better than the other or how you are better than your competitors, and how you're providing your consumer the best product at the best price. You can do all these things by using advertising. So it is a very powerful competitive weapon. And last is that advertising is a supportive tool. If you are advertising on a national television or in the newspaper, in magazines and radios, and then your salesperson are going door to door for personal selling, it will be very helpful for them, right? But if your salesperson are going door to door and nobody knows about your product, आप कोई भी ad नहीं देते उसको supplement करने के लिए, then it will be very difficult for the salesperson to sell your product, right? So it is, we know that advertising is part of promotion mix, right? And it is helping the other promotional tools to be more effective, right? So other promotional tool कौन से थे? Sales promotion, direct marketing, publicity, and personal selling. For example, if I am giving you a coupon and my company is Amazon, you will recognize me because you know what Amazon is, or you know how big Amazon is, because it is advertising in other medias also. But if I mail you from a company which is unknown because it is not giving advertising in other mainstream medias, then you will be doubtful as to whether the company is authentic or not. So advertising helps all these tools to be more effective, it supports them, and hence all of them together work as promotional or communication strategy. You have to use all of them in different varying proportion to get the best out of your target market. Yeah, so all these were the different functions of advertising. I hope they are clear, and in the next class we would study the importance or role of advertising. Thank you, take care and stay safe.